Hello, and welcome to the Accelerated Bachelor's of Science in Nursing program. We are at the Learning Site in Chandler, Arizona. Today, we're going to take a tour of the simulation suite, the skills lab, testing facilities, as well as take a look at some great resources that we have at each of our learning sites across the country. Let's go take a look. Welcome to our immersive simulation suite. As you can see, it's set up just like an actual hospital. Now, what that does is gives you real practical experience while you're still in school. Here you're going to work on mannequins and standardized patients. It's all controlled from our immersive simulation technicians in the control room. Some of these mannequins can breathe, blink, show respiration. They also have lung and bowel sounds. They also have a pulse so you can check their heart rate and perform IV insertions. One of our mannequins is called Sim Mom. She can perform a full live birth, and you can also demonstrate C-sections. This is to give our learners a genuine experience in a controlled environment. Once the simulation is over, you will adjourn here to the debrief room, where there will be an instructor talking about what you did well and what you could have done better. They use video-guided debriefing techniques in order to help you learn. This is our skills lab. Here in this lab, you will practice necessary skills that you're going to need in a clinical environment. Here you will perform head-to-toe assessment, as well as check for vital signs, perform IV and catheter insertions, as well as new medication administration. On the very first day of lab instruction, you will have access to the equipment and supplies necessary to begin learning nursing skills. As a nurse, you may have to perform home health assessments. Here we have a fully furnished home health room so that you can practice your scenarios. This is just one example of the classrooms we have at our ABSN location. Here we perform HESI examinations, content exams, as well as new student orientations. Everyone needs a little help every now and then, which is why Grand Canyon University has created the Practice Lab. Practice Labs are a voluntary lab you can sign up for if you may be struggling in an area. For example, let's say you're having trouble with IV insertions. These labs will have nursing instructors on hand to assist you in those very IV insertions you may be struggling with. They'll help you practice until you get it right. It's one of the many tools that Grand Canyon provides to help you throughout your program. Welcome to the Student Lounge. This is your space. This area is designed to have everything you're going to need for a full day's work here at the site. You can make your lunches here, you can eat your lunches here, you can study, you can even hang out with your friends and see how everybody is doing. This program is both immersive and intensive, but it allows you to complete your program in just 16 months. This accelerated timeline is designed to help students be able to enter the workforce quickly while being prepared to handle the demands of a professional nursing career. Thank you for taking the time to tour our ABSN Learning Site for the Accelerated Bachelor's of Nursing program. For more information, please visit gcu.edu.